Hello and welcome to Trains in Viatic and a Saturday video. As I told you on Wednesday, if you watch my Wednesday quickie, if you don't, make sure to watch my Wednesday quickies to find out useful things about my layout and about the hobby in general. So today I'm going to be doing more work to that platform down there. So stay tuned and we can make a start. Now for the titles. So for this project I need a few bits. You will have seen these on my first Wednesday night quickie. How I made them, I drilled a hole in a piece of wood and then just glued those bits at the correct height. And I got enough for the platform. And I got LEDs in the top. You will see me reviewing these in a video. Then I got this little module here. This is a buck boost converter, and it changed her output current to whatever you want from whatever you're inputting in, from 1.3 volts to 35 volts. Now that's the output range, 1.3 volts to 35 volts, and the input is 3 volts to 40 volts, and it has a 2 volt output. I'll be using this as a 3 volt output to run all the lights. This will actually be mounted just underneath the station building, as all the station lights apart from that platform over there, which is platform 6 and 7, will be all the lights will be permanently on, running from this unit. So this will be powering the lights. Oh, excuse me. So to put the holes in the platform, I'll be using this little screwdriver. So this will put a nice hole in it. So the best thing to do is for me to take you down to my desk and get it done. I've came down to my desk now, and I'm going to need to work on this two-sided, basically. I'm going to be putting the lights wherever there's a join on the paper. So it's quite an easy job. Get my little hand drill vise, find the thing and just drill through. Make sure to clear it out. Then I go and grab a light. And I do happen to have just enough. Feed all the wires through here. So just pull the wires through. And that's the light in place, just a drop of super glue. But before I do that, I'll be placing all the lights in and wiring these up. I'll be following the colorations on these, which is black and red. So I got black and red, and I don't use black and red as a pair anywhere on the system, so that should be quite good. And this will be a nice 3 volt system. Like I said, all of the lights will be running from the same power thing, so I can turn them on and off at the same times. So I'll carry on with putting the lights on. As you can see, I now have the lamppost in position. One of them failed the glue bit, So as I know, if I was to glue them in precision and then do the wiring, I'd end up with a disaster. Actually, I'm going to change my mind there because all these wires stick out quite nicely. So I'm going to glue the lampposts in precision, and then I'm going to run the wires for them. So to do this job, I've got some Loctite super glue with a supposedly controlled thing. All I do is get the light roughly how I want it, and then just put little drop just down there, push it down, and then just hold it for a minute or so. And by the time I let go, either my fingers will be stuck to the thing, and that will be another video, if it is, or it should be fine to let go like that. Just in case anybody wonders, I haven't ever stuck myself to a lamppost, so make sure to be careful when you're using the super glue, as it is sticky. So I'm just going to go along sticking these 5 in, and then I'll come back to you in a minute when I start sorting out the wires. I now have the lampposts all in place. Then for the last thing I need to do for this bit of a project, as this is all I'll be able to get done for the time being, is to wire up the black and red wires, but I'll be doing that off camera, as I don't want to be soldering on camera. So this is as far as you'll see it for this project. I think I'll quickly take you up into the attic and show you what the smart screens are, just in case you haven't seen them before. And that will make a good end to the video, so hang on while we go upstairs, and then we'll be able to get everything finished for today. I can't quite remember where about to put the smart screens, so I can't show you those at the moment, but I've done enough videos of them. But I thought I would end the video up here anyway. So I got a few bits coming up. Next Wednesday is a quickie, but it's actually a long quickie, on my top 20 hints and tips to Wall-E. There's some good ones, some bad ones, and some general ones. Then next Saturday it's going to be my Wall-E video. I'm hoping to get the video up for about 8, but that will be depending on time and everything. But there'll be a video up on the Wall-E Model Railway Show, which will be advertised on RN and several Facebook groups, so just keep an eye out for that. Then for Wednesday after that will be a quickie of my highlights from York and highlights from Wall-E and anything interesting from that. So if there's any layouts I do anything additional to just filming, I'll go ahead and put them there. Then for Saturday after that will actually be anything I bought from Wall-E within reason, and things I bought from Wall-E, and also I'll be setting off my Christmas competition, so quite a few bits to come. So make sure to like, subscribe and comment. If you're going to Wall-E, if you see me there, say hi. If you're not, that's fine. Thank you for watching. Welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to my other subscribers. So thank you very much. See you later. Thank you very much, Richard.